Hey guys, welcome to another video. स्वागत है आप सभी का मेरे चैनल पे. Let's talk about match number 41. Is it dead rubber? I think so it is, considering
It's payback time.
how the tournament has been so far. Match number 41 doesn't have anything interesting to talk about
Come on, man.
because it's going to be between SRH and RCB. And where RCB exists, nothing exists.
Okay.
Yeah, that's the kind of story अभी तक जो रहा है टूर्नामेंट में. So pretty straight, SRH is going to win this one. 325 will be the score of SRH batting first, and RCB is going to chase down 150 in 20th over, and the match is done and dusted. That's it. I'll see you soon on the other side. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. Like, share, subscribe. No, I'm just kidding. Come back, guys. See, the story so far has been so disappointing for RCB fans. क्यों ना हो, जिस तरीके से सीजन की स्टार्ट हुई, RCB women team has won the tournament, and I think that was all for RCB fans to celebrate this year. The way the tournament has been for RCB fans, it's pretty disappointing, and I'm sorry to say it'll continue to be like that.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man.
I mean, curse me as much as you want, but that has been the story. Now, if we talk about the points table, RCB is right at the top if we turn the tables. Sorry for the jokes. But RCB is right at the bottom, number 10. I have been an RCB fan for like 17 years almost now, and it's pretty heartbreaking to see RCB perform the way RCB is performing. And this year has been the worst so far. Every season we think that, okay, so now we have hit the rock bottom, but then here comes 2024. What to talk about this match? Honestly, इस मैच के बारे में क्या बात की जाए? SRH जैसी डोमिनेटिंग बैटिंग के सामने RCB के बॉलर्स का कॉन्फिडेंस तो बहुत ही लो होगा.
And I've decided that I want to die.
जिस तरीके का टूर्नामेंट सिराज का रहा है या ओवरऑल RCB के बॉलर्स का रहा है, आई थिंक उनका मन तो ये हो रहा होगा कि यार बस मारो, हमको जिंदा मत छोड़ो सालो. खत्म हुई लास्ट के 6 मैचेस और let's just go home, let's just come back next year. ये तो हाल हो रहा होगा RCB के बॉलर्स का, मगर क्या कम बैक कर सकती है?
We don't do that here.
देखिए, इस टूर्नामेंट में प्लेऑफ्स का तो अब नहीं सोचना चाहिए RCB के फैंस को. मैं तो पिछले 2 मैचेस से ही नहीं सोच रहा हूँ. बीइंग अ ट्रू फैन, बीइंग अ मोर ऑफ अ प्रैक्टिकल पर्सन, पॉइंट्स टेबल पे ऑलरेडी अभी नंबर 10 पे है. प्लेऑफ्स के लिए क्वालिफाई करना, आई नॉट से ऑलमोस्ट इम्पॉसिबल, बट आई जस्ट से इम्पॉसिबल एंड ब्रेक द हार्ट्स ऑफ मिलियंस.
It's only a game. Why you have to be mad?
See, that's the thing with RCB. They always come up with big names, big reputation of the club, which they don't live up to that. And that has been the story, and it's very heartbreaking for me too. अगर SRH की बात करें तो strength ही strength है. There are no weaknesses. And आज मैच भी उनके home ground पे है हैदराबाद के, तो काव्या would be control. SRH जिस तरीके से डोमिनेट कर रही है ऑलरेडी, तो everything is in the favor of Sunrisers Hyderabad, and the team which I hate the most because of 2016, what happened, what they did to RCB, and also now Travis Head and Pat Cummins, 2 big names that are in SRH's squad, and which I personally don't like. Most of us would not like, being an Indian fan, since this is franchise cricket, and you know we all need to fold our emotions and move on with the tournament. SRH being SRH would I don't think they would change anything. They don't need to change anything. Bowling would be a concern a little bit, the way I don't think there will be any concerns. RCB on the other hand, the only strength they have is the loyal fan base. Uske alawa I don't see any strength apart from DK and VK. Yes, Dinesh Karthik and Virat Kohli are the only good that has happened this year. Apart from that, nothing seems to be the strength of RCB. And if you speak of the bowling, I mean, I don't feel like even talking about the bowling.
You serious?
Who do they go with? Would they go with Reece Topley again, Lockie Ferguson, Alzarri Joseph? God please save us from the embarrassment this time. At least stop them at 200. That will be the achievement. See, that has been the course of the tournament, that stopping Sunrisers Hyderabad at 200 should be considered as an achievement. So
I mean, it's all right. Like, overrated as in my opinion.
RCB is going to be tested again. All the odds are against them because they are playing away. SRH is going to come very hard at RCB bowlers, and they are going to target for that 300, for sure. Abhishek Sharma, Travis Head, they are going to attack. Watch out for that power play. So 80-90 would be my prediction for the power play if SRH plays first. Well, if they play first or second, it doesn't matter. They are going to play the way they do. Let's see what happens. आज के match maybe it's pretty obvious that Sunrisers is going to win this one, but let's hope. I really wish RCB के फैंस के लिए कुछ तो सेलिब्रेट करने के लिए हो, और अगर आज जीतते हैं तो बहुत बड़ी जीत होगी. लाइक प्लेऑफ्स, विनिंग द टूर्नामेंट, वो सारी बातें तो बहुत पीछे छूट गई, मगर आज अगर जीतते हैं तो बहुत बड़ी टीम को हराने की जो खुशी है, दैट वुड रियली मैटर RCB फैंस. वी ऑल नीड समथिंग टू चीयर एंड वी रियली नीड विराट कोहली के चेहरे पे वो थोड़ी सी स्माइल वापस जेन्युइन वाली आए. द काइंड ऑफ प्लेयर ही इज, द काइंड ऑफ पर्सन ही इज, वी रियली वांट हिम टू बी हैप्पी. ही नीड्स समथिंग टू चेरिश एट द बिजनेस एंड ऑफ द टूर्नामेंट. मैच तो बड़ा मजेदार होगा. अनदर हार्ट ब्रेक, आई थिंक, लोडिंग फॉर RCB फैंस.
साले को बम से उड़ा दूंगा एक बार हाथ में आ जाए तो.
लेट्स जस्ट डू वन थिंग. RCB फैंस के लिए एक चीज जो मैंने की है, मैंने अडेप्ट किया कि लेट्स जस्ट अज्यूम दैट वी आर जस्ट हियर टू प्ले. वी आर नॉट हियर टू विन द टूर्नामेंट्स. वी हैव आवर फेवरेट प्लेयर्स. वी हैव अ few players which we love, which is why we are supporting this franchise. That's all. Let's just enjoy the game. Let's just cherish the boundaries, cherish the quality shots if there would be any tonight, and just enjoy the game. But don't support Travis Head in bad comments. Okay, bye.